Imagine unlocking a world of flavor and health benefits with just one spice. Enter caraway. This versatile spice, with roots steeped in history, has left its unique aromatic imprint across various cultures. Its warm, slightly sweet flavor has graced traditional dishes from European sauerkraut to Indian curries. But it's not just about taste. Caraway is a journey, a culinary adventure that takes you beyond the confines of your kitchen. Caraway isn't just a spice, it's a culinary adventure waiting to unfold. But caraway is more than just a versatile spice. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Let's start with digestion. Caraway has a long-standing reputation as a digestive aid. It's known to soothe the stomach, helping to relieve common complaints like bloating, gas, and indigestion. So, if you've overindulged at dinner, a cup of caraway tea might be just the remedy you need. But the benefits of caraway don't stop at digestion. This humble spice also boasts anti-inflammatory properties. The compounds in caraway, such as carval and carvine, work to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially helping to alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. Moving on to gut health, caraway is a champion. It supports a healthy gut microbiome, promoting good digestion and overall gut health. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your gut. And let's not forget about caraway's antioxidant power. It's rich in antioxidants, which are crucial for protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. In other words, caraway can help keep your cells youthful and vibrant. Heart health is another area where caraway shines. Some studies suggest that caraway may help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. It's a small step you can take towards a healthier heart. Respiratory support is also part of caraway's repertoire. Traditionally, caraway has been used to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like coughs and bronchitis. A warm caraway infusion can be a comforting remedy on a cold day. Caraway might even have a role to play in regulating blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for those with diabetes. Some research indicates that caraway may help keep those sugar levels in check. Then there's pain relief. Caraway oil has analgesic properties and can be used topically to relieve muscle aches and pains. It's like a natural, aromatic painkiller. On the emotional front, the aromatic scent of caraway is known to have calming effects and may help reduce stress and anxiety. It's a little bit of zen in your spice rack. And finally, caraway offers an immune boost. It's packed with vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and iron that support a healthy immune system. It's like a little spice superhero, helping to keep you healthy and strong. Clearly, caraway packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. But the real magic happens when you experience it firsthand. Now, it's time to embark on an aromatic journey with caraway. Imagine a scent that's warm, spicy, and slightly sweet. That's caraway for you. Its flavor is equally captivating, adding a unique depth to dishes, from hearty stews to baked goods. Let's not forget the wellness factor. Incorporating caraway into your meals not only enhances taste, but also promotes good health. With its unique aroma and impressive health benefits, caraway truly is a spice worth exploring. So why not add a pinch of caraway to your next meal and experience the magic yourself?